Our EU project, RePowerSiC, is about laser transmission. The laser energy is collected by our material, silicon carbide, and then it's transformed to electricity. Simplified description. And then you can feed satellites and drones with energy, and they have smaller battery or less battery capacity and things like that, some advantages. And satellites are sending data to Earth, back and forth. There's communication, and just the other day I was listening to the Swedish science radio, Vetenskapsradion, about satellites which are computing things before they send stuff. Because it's a lot of data to be sent, and then that requires energy, and it takes space in the communication. So then it's better to process those things before sending. So if the satellite can be smarter, have more computational power, then it's better for sending that. And once that is mature, then you can apply this on smaller objects, satellites, and then at some point when everything is more mature, higher volume, prices go down, there's less space, then you can apply this on drones. So there will be smarter drones. So they can make decisions, and then they send the data which is required for us. For example, agriculture. Drones are flying, collecting information, and when we want to evaluate that, we only need the information that we need. We don't need all information. The drones can handle that. And then we can pick up the information or all information from the drones once they land. We don't need it right now. But the data we need right now to make real-time decisions, that can be sent down to us. So we make a decision, farmers are making it, or in other cases, whatever it is. So this means that the space technology, which is being developed today, has on-Earth applications. Satellites are communicating, and if you have autonomous vehicles, trucks and things, they should be able to drive everywhere and make decisions now, otherwise they will be in the ditch. So that is already required, and it has an on-Earth application. So then space and Earth are connected, dual use. And then later on, when everything is matured, it will also be with drones locally at different places. So that's a very fascinating avenue to consider, because the data is not gold, but it's very valuable. You can monetize this, make money on it, because someone wants to make a real-time decision with the data, and then they can pay for it, either manually or in other ways, for example, such as tokenization. This means that there are many interesting avenues from space to use, and that's why we collaborate in different ways around these topics.